Welcome back to my channel Reading Made Easy. Today we are going to read out something very interesting, and if you have not subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel. The name of today's interesting story is The Mischievous Monkey's Moral Makeover. And don't go anywhere because we have questions and their answers at the end. Once upon a time, in a lush forest, there lived a clever and mischievous monkey named Jack. Jack was always up to some prank or another, making life difficult for the other animals in the forest. He thought it was great fun to tease and play tricks on them. One day, Jack noticed a large beehive hanging from a tree. He couldn't resist the temptation and decided to pelt the hive with stones. The furious bees chased Jack. He barely escaped with his life, but not before getting stung many times. In pain, Jack returned to his tree, nursing his wounds. A wise old owl named Oliver saw Jack's condition and came to him. Oliver said, Jack, your mischievous actions have brought you pain and suffering. Jack realized the truth in Oliver's words. He decided to change his ways and make amends for his past behavior. He started helping the other animals in the forest, sharing food and looking out for them. Jack transformed from a troublemaker into a beloved member of the forest community. The animals forgave him for his past actions and they all lived together in harmony. I hope you liked the story. So, the moral of the story is it's never too late to change and make amends for one's mistakes. Let us have a few questions and their answers now. Are you ready? Let us start. Who is the main character of the story? Do you know the answer? The main character of the story is Jack, the mischievous monkey. Are you right? Good job. What did Jack like to do at the beginning of the story? Do you know the answer? Come on, let us check it. At the beginning of the story, Jack liked to play tricks and tease the other animals in the forest. Are you right? Clap for yourself. What event prompted Jack to change his ways? Do you know the answer? Come on, let us go to the answer. Jack was chased and stung by angry bees after he pelted their beehive with stones. Amazing! You are right. Who offered Jack wisdom and advice when he was in pain? Come on, tell the answer quickly. The wise old owl named Oliver offered Jack wisdom and advice when he was in pain. Good job! You are right. What is the moral of the story? I hope you know this. Come on, let us go to the answer. It's never too late to change and make amends for one's mistakes. Are you right? Clap for yourself then. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And wait for my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.